I will show you how to create directory in Linux. Type the command make directory and then the directory name. Let's say directory name is test. Press enter. Now how to see it? Type on ls. Ls is list. So it shows test. How to understand it is a directory? We can write command this long list. So you see here D, it is directory. If you create a file, touch file ls -l. So here you see the file and here it is empty, blank, dash. This is file and this is D is directory. So now you understand what is file and what is directory. Clear screen, you can see it, ls-l, file, this is empty and here is D, D is directory. Okay, how to create file and how to create, how to delete, rm, remove file, ls, you see the list, see file is deleted and you have now directory. How to remove the directory, it is different. rm -rf, write this command. What is this? We will learn this later. And then the directory name. See it now? Gone. Total 0. Okay, it's done.